Have you ever imagined an action camera so powerful that it doesn't just compete with GoPro, it completely redefines what an action camera can be? Well, buckle up, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 leaks are here, and if even half of what we're hearing turns out to be true, this might just be the biggest leap in compact camera technology we've ever seen. DJI, the brand that's already mastered drones, gimbals, and creative gear, seems to be gearing up to launch something absolutely groundbreaking. Something that could change the way creators, vloggers, and adventurers capture their world. Reports, leaks, and spy shots from multiple tech insiders have revealed details that sound almost too good to be real. But the excitement is spreading like wildfire. So if you're into filmmaking, travel vlogs, extreme sports, or just love watching the evolution of tech that pushes limits, stick with me till the end. Because what DJI is rumored to be planning for the Action 6 is nothing short of cinematic revolution. Let's start with what might be the heart of this monster, the sensor. According to several reliable sources, the DJI Osmo Action 6 could feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that right. A 1-inch sensor on an action camera. That's something we usually see in high-end compact cameras or even mirrorless systems, not tiny waterproof action cams. This upgrade alone could transform the entire action camera industry. With a sensor that large, expect mind-blowing low-light performance, deeper shadows, crisp highlights, and cinematic depth of field that makes your footage look alive, even in the harshest lighting conditions. Imagine recording a mountain ride at dawn, diving underwater at sunset, or capturing a concert in dim light, and your footage still looks like a professional film. That's what this 1-inch leap promises. And it doesn't stop there. The leaks suggest the DJI Osmo Action 6 will support incredible resolutions, 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and a mind-melting 4K at 120 FPS for those creamy, ultra-smooth slow-motion shots we all love. Combine that with 10-bit color recording, possibly a D-Log-M flat color profile, and we're talking serious post-production flexibility. You'll be able to color grade like a pro, turning your adventure clips into pure cinematic masterpieces. It's not just about resolution, it's about realism. Every frame richer, every color deeper, every detail sharper. DJI seems to be going all in to outclass GoPro and Insta360 in every category. But what's a stunning image without stability, right? Well, here's where things get even crazier. DJI is reportedly testing a new stabilization system called Rocksteady 4.0, along with Horizon Steady 360°, designed to keep your footage level no matter what chaos you're in. Imagine sprinting, skydiving, or biking down rocky terrain, and your video stays perfectly smooth like it was shot on a gimbal. No shaking, no tilting, no roll, just flawless, ultra-stable motion. DJI already leads the industry in stabilization tech, and with this rumored update, they're about to make motion blur and shaky clips a thing of the past. For creators, that's not just cool, it's a complete workflow upgrade. You can shoot anywhere anyhow without worrying about equipment or post-fixes. But wait, it gets even better. One of the most surprising leaks claims that the Osmo Action 6 could introduce smartwatch integration. Yeah, you heard that right. Control your camera directly from your wrist. Imagine starting or stopping recording, switching modes, or even monitoring your shot, all from your smartwatch. And for athletes and adventurers, that's not all. This integration might also allow you to overlay real-time activity data, your speed, altitude, heart rate, or dive depth, right onto your footage. It's next-level storytelling. Viewers won't just see what you did, they'll feel it, with data-driven visuals making your experiences come alive. DJI seems to be creating an ecosystem where the camera doesn't just capture the moment, it connects to your lifestyle. When it comes to design, leaked photos hint that the Action 6 might come with a slightly larger, more rugged body, and honestly, that makes perfect sense. With the bigger sensor and higher recording resolutions, DJI needs better cooling and durability. It's rumored to be waterproof up to 20 meters without any extra housing, making it perfect for deep dives in extreme conditions. The dual-screen setup, both front and rear touchscreens, is expected to return, offering smooth navigation, vivid displays, and instant framing whether you're filming yourself or your surroundings. Another exciting upgrade could be built-in storage, up to 47 GB according to one leak, alongside Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 for faster data transfer and seamless pairing with your phone or other devices. These small details show how DJI is focusing not just on raw power, but also on real-world usability. Everything feels designed for creators who want to shoot faster, smarter, and cleaner. But let's talk timing and price, two things every fan is waiting for. Multiple sources suggest that DJI is planning to unveil the Osmo Action 6 in October 2025, with pre-orders opening shortly after and units possibly shipping in November. Pricing leaks point toward a very competitive range, somewhere between $329 and $429 for the base model, with an adventure bundle version likely priced higher. If that's true, this camera could completely shake the market. A 1-inch, 8K capable, pro-stabilized, waterproof camera under $500. That's not just competitive, it's disruptive. It could pull creators, vloggers, and filmmakers away from GoPro and even from compact mirrorless cameras. But of course, with great leaks come great caution. As exciting as all of this sounds, nothing has been officially confirmed by DJI yet. We've seen in the past how early specs sometimes get tweaked or dropped before launch. So while it's fun to imagine 8K action footage, we still have to wonder, how will it handle heat at that resolution? What will battery life look like during intense shoots? Can it maintain stability and clarity under heavy motion without overheating or throttling? These are the real-world questions that only testing can answer. Still, one thing's for sure. If even 70% of these leaks turn out to be real, the Osmo Action 6 will set a new gold standard for what an action camera can do. And honestly, it's about time. The action camera world has been dominated by incremental updates for years. Slightly better resolution here, slightly improved HDR there, but nothing revolutionary. DJI seems ready to change that narrative. Imagine a future where creators no longer have to choose between portability and quality, where you can fit a cinema-grade camera into your pocket, jump off a cliff with it, record in 8K, and get footage that looks like a Hollywood movie. That's what the DJI Osmo Action 6 represents. A fusion of rugged adventure tech and professional filmmaking power. And that could inspire a whole new wave of content creators who can now tell their stories with more emotion, more detail, and more creativity than ever before. Think about the possibilities. Travel vloggers capturing the northern lights in stunning detail. Divers exploring coral reefs in true-to-life color. Cyclists recording their trails in flawless 8K slow motion. And everyday creators shooting their lives with footage so rich it feels like cinema. DJI isn't just building a camera, they're shaping how we'll remember our experiences. And in an era where visuals define storytelling, that's powerful. So, as we wait for the official announcement, all eyes are on DJI. Will they actually deliver on the 1-inch sensor promise? Will we really see 8K in a body this small? Can they overcome the challenges of heat, battery, and durability while keeping the price low? The tension is real, and that's what makes this moment so exciting. Every leak, every spy shot, every whispered spec is adding fuel to the fire. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another camera, it's a symbol of what's next in creative technology. A sign that innovation is alive, and that the next chapter of action filmmaking is just around the corner. So, what do you think? Will DJI finally dethrone GoPro and claim the action camera crown once and for all? Or will this just be another hype cycle? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because the moment DJI officially drops this beast, we'll be breaking down every detail, real specs, real footage, and real comparisons, to see if it truly lives up to the rumors. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies, your creativity alive, and your camera ready, because the future of action cameras is coming faster than we think. This is more than a leak, it's a glimpse into the next generation of filmmaking. DJI Osmo Action 6, the tiny giant that could change everything.